It was hot today, so let's see how hot it's going to be tomorrow. And we'll start in the western part of the valley. If you're going to be hanging out in Rio Grande City or Roma tomorrow, you're looking at about 103 by middle of the afternoon with a lot of sunshine. Headed up to San Ysidro, about 102 there in the northern part of Starr County. Hidalgo County, basically along and west of I-69C. Probably 100 plus, including La Jolla at about 102. East of that upper 90s, also Weslaco at 98. And then you can see the 97, 98 Raymondville, Harlingen, Brownsville, Los Fresnos about 95. And then a little cooler when you get out to the coast, but dew points a little higher there, so humidity up just a little bit as you get closer to the coast. But humidity's up everywhere tonight. You can feel that when you step out. These are the current temperatures around Texas, and while we were hot, it was even hotter. Laredo, Del Rio, Odessa, El Paso, all well over 100 this afternoon. Now back into the 90s. There's the new numbers just coming in. 84 in Austin, 83 in San Antonio right now. Had some pretty good thunderstorms fire up in North Texas to the west of Dallas-Fort Worth tonight, but you can see even as quickly as they fired up, they should begin to fade away, but there's an old frontal boundary laying right there. It's not going to play much of a role in our weather at all. It's going to stay way north. Instead, the ridge, the high to the west, the high to the east. For a while we had that trough or that breakdown in the middle. That trough is gone now, so the high is ridging from the Gulf of Mexico all the way to El Paso, and we're right in the middle of that. That means warmer air aloft, which is stable, makes it hard to get any rain, and it's dry air aloft as well, so it's hard to get any rain out of that, hard to get many clouds even, let alone any showers. The one way we could change that is if the south side of that ridge would break down a little bit and then start to allow some tropical moisture to sneak up from the southeast. We don't see that happening through Wednesday, but by maybe Thursday and Friday, the flow comes a little bit more out of the east-southeast. The southern edge of the high breaks down a little bit, and then some tropical moisture could get into the mix, and maybe by the middle to latter part of next week, an isolated shower, but nothing big, nothing widespread, an isolated shower too. That's probably all we're looking at. As far as rain the next several days, nothing until at least Wednesday. Now, I say nothing. There's been enough cloud cover out there for a sprinkle or two, a drop or two, but shouldn't be any more than that until at least Thursday and Friday. High temperatures will stay above average the next few days and then come down to the norm, the seasonal norm, Thursday and Friday when those clouds increase a little bit. What about the tropics? The Gulf is quiet, the Caribbean's quiet, and there's nothing to see here. The Atlantic is very quiet as well. Take a look at the rest of Texas. In the morning, if you're traveling, 79 in San Antonio to start the day. By afternoon, most of the state up into the 80s and 90s. A little cooler in the Panhandle because of the front that went through there. So tonight, partly cloudy, a light breeze, but very humid. Lows around 80. Then tomorrow, back to 98. Plenty of sunshine. It's going to be breezy. It is going to be hot. For your fireworks, here's what you can expect during the day. About 100 degrees on the 4th of July. For fireworks in the evening, it will be in the 80s. Next 7 days, here you go. 97s and a 95 after 98 tomorrow. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.